Let's review how to use the income page on Toolkit.law. Select the Numbers section, then the Income page. This page offers 18 accordions that help legal teams produce accurate income figures for casework. Start with the American tax bracket to estimate tax exposure and basic calculator for quick arithmetic. Use income hourly, income weekly, income monthly, annual biweekly, and income annual to convert pay periods reliably. Use income gross and income gross modified to compare pre- and post-adjustment earnings. For workplace matters, income overtime, commission, and tips calculate additional pay streams. Reconstruct incomplete records with income unknown, and model wage increases with income raise. Financial eligibility and affordability reviews are supported by debt-to-income ratio and net worth calculators. Track hours with time card and count cash or evidence using money counting. Each accordion gives instant, formatted results you can download and share. Use equals for fast calculations and clear to reset. Whether you're preparing family law affidavits, litigating wage claims, or verifying financial disclosures, the income page saves time and improves accuracy. And that is how you use the income page on Toolkit.law.